Here's an example on decimal. You must find the exact value of 0.432 times 0.02 divided by 0.024. This is a past CSEC mathematics from an old past paper. What I want you to do is pause the video and try this. Now, they didn't say you cannot use a calculator. They didn't say without the use of a calculator. Well, you could try to do that and then use a calculator only if you see it not feasible to do it without. So go ahead and try it without a calculator first. Alright, so you've completed it. What did you get? Let's work through it. Here you have 0.0432 times 0.02 divided by 0.024. Now, suppose you multiply 0.432 by 1,000. What you would have is 432, right? That times 0.02. But guess what now? If you multiply the top here by 1,000, you must multiply the bottom by 1,002. Because multiplying the numerator alone by 1,000 means you've increased the number 1,000 times. So you need to take it back down 1,000 times to compensate. After all, 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1, right? But anyway, here, you divide this by 1,002 and you will get 24, right? So you have 432 divided by 24. Let's see if we can cancel this down. 2 into 4, 32 goes how much? 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 3 is 1, remaining 1, 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 24 is 12, and that is times 0.02. Remember now, the 0.02 remains, it's only the 0.432 that you have multiplied by the 1,000. Let's see if we can cancel this down some more. Using calculator would have been done already, but we want to practice this thing without using a calculator. In an exam, you would just use a calculator and get the answer because they did not say not to use a calculator, alright? Alright, so 4 into 12 is how much? 4 into 12 is 3. 4 into 21 is 5. Remainder 1. 4 into 16 is 4. Can 13 go into this? Can 3 go into this? 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 54 is how much? 3 into 5 is 1 time, remainder 2. 3 into 24, 8. Okay, it's 18. It comes down to 18 times 0.02. Alright? Now, 18.0 times 0.02 is what? Let's multiply this 0.02 by 100 first. And then we will have to divide it by 100 after. If you multiply all of this, let me rewrite it. 18 times 0.02. We want to multiply it by 100 because we don't want the point here to mess up our brains at this point. So we multiply by 100. What we get is 18 times 2. You see that? Multiply 0.02 by 100. It's like moving the point 2 places to the right. And this becomes 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is 36. Let's divide 36 by 100 now. What we get is this. 0.36. We get 0.36. Alright? 0.36 is our answer. Suppose we'd use a calculator. What would we get? Well, let's try it. Our calculator. Let's put it in basic mode. We have 0.432 times 0.02 equals, and that divided by 0.024 equals, we get 0.36. So 0.36 is what we get for that answer.